Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how you can purchase a domain from GoDaddy. You can use it to connect it to your website, your business email, or for any other purpose that requires a domain name. First thing you should do is check the link in the description for the best deal, and you will also support the channel by using my link without paying anything extra. You will also find some do's and don'ts which can help you in purchasing a domain. So let's start. In the search bar, you have to search for the domain name to see if it is available for registration or if it is already registered. For example, if I try to register youtube.com, click on search domains here, you will see that youtube.com is taken because it is already a registered website. So now again we have to go to the search bar and search for a different name. Click on this search icon here. Now you can see this domain is not registered and it is available with exact match. You can also see the pricing. Pricing will be in your local currency. Now if you scroll down here, you will see that there are multiple domain extensions with same domain name. A domain name is basically this how to SHG and .com is extension. So if you want, you can also register your domain with a different extension. I would suggest you to use .com extension as it is really popular and considered a professional extension. But if you are creating a creative website or for some reason you need a fancy extension, then you can also register that. Please make sure that you check the registration price and the renewal price both, because some of the fancy domain extension will have a very cheap registration price but a very high renewal price, so that can create problems later at the time of renewal if you use a fancy extension. Now if I will scroll here and click on this make it yours. Also another important thing is make sure this domain include free privacy protection is written here. It is very important to keep your personal information like your name, contact number, address and email address private. It is provided by free with most sites by GoDaddy, so usually it is not a problem. Just make sure that it is there. Then click on view cart. In the cart, you can see the domain registration is showing for 2 years, so I will change it to 1 year because I just need it for this tutorial. I'm not going to actually use it. And then the second option is full domain protection. We do not need it because the domain basic free privacy protection is already included for free. So we do not need to pay anything extra. Then click on continue to cart. Now, if this is the first time you are purchasing anything from GoDaddy, you can create an account at this step with the continue with email option, or you can click on sign in later. I will click on sign in later. On this page, I will select no domain protection because the free privacy protection is already included, and then unselect any other unnecessary things. Then click on continue to cart. This is the final page. Here make sure there is no spelling mistake in your domain and check the final price, the renewal price, and untick this full domain protection if it is active by default for any reason, and make sure that there is no extra services that you do not want to purchase. And here you can also apply a promo code. It will be available in the description. If you have used my link from the description, the promo code usually gets automatically activated if there is any available and you do not have to manually apply it. Then click on proceed to cart. Now you can click on continue with email and then create your account. It is a very simple process. You have to just provide some personal information like your contact address, email, contact number and name, and that's it. I already have an account with GoDaddy, so I will sign in and show you the next steps. After registration, you have to select the payment method, and there are multiple payment methods available depending on your local region. You can select whichever is convenient for you and then complete the payment. After completing the payment, you will see the screen and the domain registration is in progress. It will only take few seconds for it to complete. You can also see all the payment details in your email. You will also receive an email to verify that. So just click on verify email if you get any for domain registration. Click on continue. This is a add-on service by GoDaddy. For domain registration, I do not want to do anything else. So I will click on not now. And that's it. Our domain registration is complete. You can access all your domain settings from the left sidebar here. Go to domain and you can see here, this is the domain I just registered, how to shg.sites. you can click on domain settings, and from the domain settings page you can see the expiry date. You can also turn on the auto renewal function here, and when you scroll down you can see the domain privacy is on. It is very important to keep it always on. Do not turn it off ever, otherwise your personal information will be available publicly in the whois directory. If you are watching this video after a while and the interface has changed, you can also find your domain settings from here. Go click on this profile icon here, go to my products, and from here also you will be able to find all the products attached to your account. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it useful. You can watch my other GoDaddy domain related tutorials for any help. If you have any questions, please post them in the comments. I will try to help you out.